Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Code with Money. In our last video, we had discussed about Python data types, and in this video, we will discuss about how to create Python data types and how to check the type of a variable. We know in Python, string is a sequence of characters and enclosing in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. Let's go with the different examples. For example, take a variable a and assign the value Python. First, use single quotes. A equals Python. To check the type of a, use type function. Print type of a. Hit the enter. It prints class str. Str means string. And take a variable b and assign the value Python in double quotes. To check the type of b, use type function. Hit the enter. It prints class str. Because whatever we type inside the double quotes or single quotes, Python takes as a string. Take a variable and assign the value a positive number. For example, a equals to 10. Type a equals to 10. To check the type of a, use type function. It prints class int. It means integer because whole numbers are integer. So the type of a is integer. Now go with a different number. Take a variable b and assign the value -10. b equals to -10. To check the type of b, we use type function. Type of b. Hit the enter. It prints class integer because the -10 is also a number, so the type of b is an integer. Like that, take a variable with the value 0. So c equals to 0. To check the type of c, use type function. Type of c. Hit enter. It prints class int because c equals to 0. 0 also is a number, so the type of c is integer. Take a variable x and assign the value 10.5. To check the type of x, use type function. Print type of x. Hit the enter. It prints class float because the x is holding 10.5. We know numbers containing decimal points are the floating data type. Complex data type in Python. Complex is nothing but numbers with real part and imaginary part. Let's go with example. Take a variable c and assign the value 2 plus 5j. To check the type of c, use type function. Type of c. It prints class complex. Here 2 is the real part and 5 is the imaginary part. List. In Python, list is a collection of items and the list is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Let's go with examples and now see how to create an empty list. Take a variable and to create a empty list, use square brackets. To check the type of L, use type function. Type of L. It prints class as list. Create a list with items. Take the variable list and assign the values. In list we can use different type of data type values, so enter different values. To check the type of list 1, use type function. And hit the enter. It prints class list. Python, tuple is a data type and is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Now see how to create an empty tuple. Take a variable t and to create an empty tuple, use parentheses. To check the type of t, use type function. Type of t. Hit the enter. It prints class tuple. Now go with the tuple values. Take the variable t1 is equal and enter the values 1, 2, Python. To check the type of t1, use type function. It prints class tuple. Dictionary in Python. In Python, dictionary is used to store the data in the form of key value pairs. Let's see how to create an empty dictionary. In Python, to create an empty dictionary, we use dict function. Dict. To check the type of dict, use type function. It prints class dictionary. Let's go with the items inside the dictionary. Enter the data in the form of key value pairs. Enter the key as name and assign the value Python. Enter the ID. To check the type of dict1, use type function. It prints class dictionary. How to create an empty dictionary with the curly brackets. Take the variable d equals to and use curly brackets to create empty dictionary. To check the type of d, use type function. And it also prints dictionary. Take the variable s and use set function. To check the type of s, use type. It prints class set. See how to create a set with the values. Take the variable s1 and insert the values. To check the type of s1, use type function. It prints class set. Bool data type is used to check the conditions and comparisons. Let's go with an example. Take a variable a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Type a greater than b. It prints false because the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. 10 is small. And type b greater than a. It prints true because the value of b is high. This is all about Python data types, and in our next video we will discuss about Python operators. See you in the next video. Bye friends.